These labs are where the real innovation happens. Notice the precision of these robotic arms and the speed of that assembly line.
Welcome back. We are currently at security level supreme, yet the system integrity is clearly compromised.
The real-time analysis of the paper thickness is flowing rapidly. We are seeing excellent results in this quadrant.
Listed. The arm is now gliding the probe across the surface vertically.
Our data confirms an astonishing 99.99% accuracy, setting a new industry standard.
Step into the future of light manipulation. This is where the next generation of computing begins. When we look closely, the guilloche patterns are sharp and precise, and these UV fibers confirm the authenticity of the document structure.
I'm really happy with how this turned out. When you hold it up to the light, you can see the incredible detail in the translucent etching. It's absolutely perfect. And
Notice the low quality here. We see the blurry image, the distorted face, and these obvious watermarks and text artifacts that give it away as a fake. And
if we tilt the passport just slightly at this sharp angle, you'll see the hidden ghost image appear right here.
Look at this data. We've finally achieved the breakthrough we've been hoping for. This changes everything.
See the holographic overlay and the fluorescent fibers in the binding.
And these are the visa stamps, correct?
As I tilt the passport under the lamp, you can clearly see the optically variable ink shift from this metallic green to a vibrant magenta.
We hold it up just like this, and as you can see, the Blue Jay watermark is perfectly visible against the light.
When exposed to UV light, the document's hidden security features become visible. The intricate patterns.
To ensure reliability, these machines bend and twist the passports thousands of times, simulating real-world use.
As I place the passport into the chamber, you'll notice the immediate reaction of the polarized mist and the rapid increase in temperature.
The machine is really putting this through the ringer. But look at this, the surface is completely unscathed. Remarkable durability. Fresh from the deep freeze, the crystalline frost is already turning to water the moment it touches my hand.
These reports represent a wide range of past tests, each one earning our holographic certified seal.
Here we have the new passport and the tested one. To the naked eye, as you can see, they are completely identical.
Our state-of-the-art durability machines ensure that our products meet the highest standards. This passport represents the culmination of years of hard work, right here in this facility.
Welcome everyone. We are so excited to give you a tour of this incredible facility, the latest addition to our global operations.